What makes a true hard enduro weapon? Not just power, it's the details that keep you moving when the trail turns into chaos. And KTM's answer is here. The 2026 KTM 300 XCW Hard Enduro. Powered by KTM's legendary 300 cubic centimeters two-stroke engine. This beast now comes sharper than ever. The WP XACT 48mm closed cartridge fork has been reworked with lighter springs and improved damping, while the WP XPLOR PDS shock delivers perfect balance and traction on brutal climbs. Cooling? No longer a worry. For 2026, KTM adds a radiator fan and new cap as standard, plus a protected fuel connector for durability in the toughest terrain. And then, the Hard Enduro package. A ribbed factory seat for grip, CNC machined triple clamps, floating front disc, super stealth sprocket, heavy-duty guards, and factory pull straps. Everything built for survival. Visually, it's unmistakable. A gloss orange frame, black rims with orange hubs, and bold graphics straight from KTM Power Parts. The 2026 KTM 300 XCW Hard Enduro hits dealers in October 2025. But here's the real question. Would you take this weapon to Erzberg, Romaniacs, or your own backyard track? Drop your answer in the comments, and let's see who's ready for the hard enduro life.